Hello everyone, this is lesson number 49, HSK free, and let's continue. This is a new chapter, chapter number 17. We have 11 more lessons in this HSK free. So let's start. First one for today is 邻居 neighbor. 居 it's you can imagine like 住 like to live somewhere. 邻 also something like that, but more like neighbor. So the neighbor living with you, just neighbor. Let's see. My neighbor is very friendly. 我的邻居很友好。我的邻居 my neighbor 很 is very, and there is a new word for us. 友好 we know how it's a good. We know we know 友 from our previous word 朋友 friend. So this one is 友 from 朋友的友. So here is it's been friendly or to be friend. So when you 友好 it's friendly. You can be a friend. You're a good friend. 友好。我的邻居很 also remember this one is third. So this one second, third. 很友好。我的邻居很友好。Next one. My neighbor helps me clean the room. 邻居帮我打扫房间。邻居 neighbor 帮 it's to help someone. 帮我 helps me. There is also maybe a new word. 打扫 it's hit a mop or just clean. Also just clean. Mop the floor or clean the room also could be. 打扫房间 room. 邻居帮我打扫房间。Neighbor helps me clean the room. 房间 the room. And next one, I chat with my neighbor. 我跟邻居聊天儿。Also, we can say 聊天 or 聊天儿 if it's if it's from Beijing or north part of China, they mostly say 聊天儿. In south part, mostly say 聊天。我跟 I with 邻居 neighbor 聊天儿 chatting, talking. Mostly I chat with my friend. It's mean like chat online, but here is mostly like to talk to each other. But maybe it's happened online. Who knows? 我跟邻居聊天儿 If we see R, we need to say R. So we can avoid this R. 我跟邻居聊天儿。Next one, it's hobby or to like something to do. Like how. It's to love. How it's good. So how it's to love something. Good. Let's see. My hobby is painting. So it's just hobby. 我的爱好是画画。我的爱好 my hobby 是 is 画画 painting or 画画 also could be sometimes. I think. 我的爱好是画画。Next one, He likes riding bicycles. No bicycle, right? Why does he need more bicycles? 他爱好骑自行车。他爱好 here is 爱好 it's not maybe you can say his hobby riding bicycle, but also you can say he likes 爱好骑自行车。自行车 bicycle and 骑 is to ride something. Also could be 骑车 or 骑自行车。Hobby mostly it's noun, but sometimes love, interest, passion, taste also could be. Okay, 他爱好骑自行车。He likes riding bicycle. Next one, my neighbor's hobby is listening to music. 邻居的爱好是听音乐。邻居的爱好 so hobby of neighbor or neighbor's hobby 邻居的爱好是听音乐 it's not 音乐 it's 阴阳音乐不是听音乐 OK 邻居的爱好是听音乐 listen to music also pretty okay next one it's a bit complicated it's 选择 to choose choice so could be noun could be verb 选择 let's see I choose a pair of leather shoes 我选择一双皮鞋我选择 I chosen I chose我选择 chosen how does it's the same writing right 我选择一双皮鞋一双 a pair of something 皮鞋 leather shoes 我选择一双皮鞋选择 it's to choose next one I think it's mostly passive mostly passive he chooses no we cannot say so in passive so it's present simple 他选择去城市生活他选择 he chose 去 chooses 去城市city to go to city 去城市生活 live so he chose to live in the city 他选择去城市生活 next one the choice is very important so here's 选择 is choice noun 选择很重要选择 choice 很重要 is very important the choice is very important 选择很重要 next word it's 饱 full let's see I'm full and feel very comfortable 我吃饱了很舒服 so 饱 it's mostly mean to eat until you're full or just I'm full and mostly it used with 吃 so 我吃饱了 you can also say 我饱了 but mostly we use 我吃饱了我吃饱了很舒服 very comfortable I feel very comfortable 我吃饱了很舒服 next one he rests after eating his fill 他吃饱后 休息。他吃饱 he eat full, so 他吃饱。后 here's 后 after, or you can sometimes mean 然后 or just 后 or 以后。so 他吃饱后休息。休息 rest, so just rest. He rest after eating. So 吃饱后休 in Chinese he eat after he rests. In English we say vice versa. So 他吃饱后休息。Let's see next one. When I'm full, I'm not thirsty. 吃饱就不渴了。吃饱 when I'm full 就 you can imagine 就 like after that or just 吃饱就不渴了。渴 it's in our next word. It's thirsty. It's he wanted to drink, right? 吃饱就不渴了。When I'm full, I'm not thirsty. 吃饱就不渴了。Let's see next one. 渴 it's thirsty. 渴 it's as you can see on the right part of this character. Let's see. We know 喝 right, to drink. This one. As you can see, right part and left part here's on this characters, right part is the same and pronunciation almost the same. Here's 喝 right, here's 渴 but on the left part it's 渴 when he drinks, it's mouth, right, 口. On the left part is 水 water. So here's the main difference. Very, very similar characters. 渴 thirsty. So I'm very thirsty and want to drink water. 我很渴. As you can see here again, free fourth tone. So we need third tone. So we need second third. 我很渴，想喝水，想 to I want 喝水 to drink water. So as you can see, 喝 to drink, but 渴 it's thirsty. 我很渴，想喝水 I want to drink because I'm thirsty. Next one. He is thirsty, and takes a bottle. 他渴了，这个了 he became thirsty, so 他渴了。拿 to take 瓶子 it's a bottle. So 他渴了，拿瓶子 and take the bottle. So it means he takes the bottle to drink water. 拿瓶子。Next one, in winter, I'm not thirsty. 冬天我不渴。冬天 it's a winter. 冬天 it's our next word on the next lesson. 冬天冬 it's a cold. 天 it's a day. So cold days it's winter. 冬天我不渴。I'm not 渴 thirsty. So 冬天我不渴。And let's repeat what we learned today. First one, 邻居 neighbor, 邻居 most like 居 邻居 neighbor, 爱好 hobby to like 爱好，选择 to choose or choice, 饱 full or 吃饱 to eat full or mostly 吃饱了，我吃饱了。渴 thirsty, 渴 thirsty, 渴 and that's all. And let's see one new idiom for today, right? before we have 对牛弹琴 to play piano for cow play piano, so play the piano, waste effort on the wrong audience. 对牛弹琴 This one is also, remember, 如鱼得水 like a fish in the water. Then a new one. 守株 wow. Huh. This one is very interesting. 守株待兔 here's 守 is like guard, 株 is tree stump, 待 it's to wait something, 兔 it's a rabbit. What does it mean? Wait by stump for a rabbit or rely on a luck? There is a story behind this idiom 成语守株待兔. One day, the hunter met in a forest that rabbit because this rabbit accidentally died. And he thinks, why do I need to do hunting if I can just wait for rabbit like here, like this one? And so he waited, and he died. So that's why 守株待兔 to wait or to guard. Here show also could be wait or guard. 守株待兔. Let's see. He relies on luck and doesn't work hard. 他守株待兔不努力. 他守株待兔不努力.不努力 not hardworking, right? 不努力. So this one is pretty interesting and pretty advanced a bit, but still very interesting. 守株待兔. 守株待兔. And see you next one.